Hey guys, it's me Poonam and I hope you all are doing good. If you are suffering from COVID or you are recovering from COVID, then you can definitely practice the yogasanas which I'm sharing today irrespective of your age and your gender. And even if you are a healthy person, I highly recommend you all to practice these yogasanas because they will boost up your immunity and will also help you in taking care of all your vital organs. So let's practice our video. And two very important points here to be kept in mind that these yoga asanas, they are not the cure, they are not the treatment for your COVID disease, but they will definitely help you in speedy recovery. And also at any point, if you feel that your body is not coping up with the exercises, then please don't practice them. You can discontinue practicing these exercises. Now, the first asana we are practicing today is Setu Bandhasana. You can practice it on the floor or on your bed, wherever it is comfortable to you. So lie down straight on your back, fold your legs, and now slowly and slowly we inhale and lift our this torso, and you try to hold this pose here as long as it is comfortable to you. All right, so if you're holding it for a very long time, the breathing can be normal here. Hold and you lock your hands like this and hold the asana here. This asana is very good for COVID patients because when you are like suffering from COVID and everybody tells you take deep breath, it becomes really difficult for you to do that because the moment you take deep breaths, you start coughing. So if you practice deep breathing during this pose, it will really help you and you will find it very comfortable taking long deep breaths in this pose. And also COVID is not only that affects your physical body but also your mental body. So this is a pose which will help you in relieving any sort of depression and stress or anxiety you're dealing with. So practice this guys daily. Now exhale and release. All right, so you can practice it daily for like 3 to 5 repetitions you can do, and also try to hold as long as it is comfortable. Let's practice our next asana. Now we are doing our next asana, that is Bhujangasana. For that, lie down on your stomach. Now keep your hands next to your chest, palms facing downward. Keep your back straight, body straight. Now you inhale and slowly lift your body up and hold it here. If it is comfortable to you, you can look up. And this asana again is very good for your lungs, and also when you are like suffering from COVID and you're most of the time sitting, lying down on your mattress or in your bed, so your back, lower spine also start getting affected. So it is good for spine flexibility as well, and it will help you in relieving from lower back pain. Now exhale and slowly go down and release. Relax. Again, you can do few repetitions and try to hold the asana as long as it is comfortable. If you start breathing and coughing, if you start coughing suddenly, then you can hold and leave the asana there and again start practicing it. Now we will be practicing Vajrasana. Vajrasana is very important to take care of your digestion problems. So when you're down with COVID, it is very important to take good diet and also good rest. But what happens is, due to illness, you are not able to eat well. The food which you're eating is not getting digested properly. You may face constipation problem because of excess of protein diet which you're taking, and also you may feel little bloating in your body. So please practice this asana daily after your meals and try to sit in this asana for 5 to 10 minutes. This will really help you in dealing with all sorts of your digestion problems. So let's practice it now. So for this, you simply get on your knees and inhale and exhale, and slowly you sit on your heels. Now back straight, your hands on your knees, palms facing upward, and you gaze forward. Now, if it is not comfortable to you, if you are having any severe knee problem, then you can avoid this asana. But if you are feeling mild pain, sitting in this posture, while many of you may feel some pain here in your ankles, so you can use a cushion or a towel, anything, and then sit comfortably in this posture. Now the last pose which we are going to practice today is legs up the wall pose. Again, a very important pose, because in COVID you may feel a lot of headache, and that is very severe, and you may feel giddiness also, and also there is a lot of body ache. So this asana really helps you in dealing with all these problems, and the best thing is it is very easy to do, and also if you do it just before your bedtime, it will help you in getting a good sound sleep. So let's practice it. So for this, now all you need to do is just go and close to any wall which is there in your house, and if you are practicing it before sleeping on the bed, so just move to the corner of your bed, like where you have a wall at the backrest. So just go there and simply we just lie down and go close to the wall, and you need to keep your legs up like this. So this is the posture. You can keep your hands by your side or at the back of your head like this. This will help you so much when you're having that breathlessness also, and also when you feel a lot of heaviness in your chest. So this is very good. Practice this daily and just simply relax here. If you again feel discomfort here, any sort of discomfort, you can take some cushion or some sheet and put it here under your back or under your neck and relax. So I hope my today's video will be of some use to you guys. Keep practicing and wish you all a speedy recovery. Stay healthy, stay beautiful. Lots of love and blessings from my side. Take care.